Hello guys, today I'm going to explain about division. In this video, you will learn and realize that how the definition of division you are being taught at school is some way wrong. The concept of division that we are being taught at school, maybe you find that, for example, if you have 4 apples divided by 2 person, you will get 2 apples. That's the way kids are being taught at school. But maybe some genius kids will ask that, what if we have 4 apples divided by half? It means half of a person. Then you will get 8 apples. Now maybe some kids will ask, why 4 apples divided by half person, it becomes 8 apples. Why 4 apples becomes 8? Maybe some kids who realize this will never accept this concept, because if in real life he has 4 apples, then becomes 8 apples, doesn't make sense at all. Now in this video I will show you that it is actually the way we think about division is not really like this. I would like to consider that actually in real situation, when we talk about division, it should be, there are 3 things that will represent the concept. I will name it as the instructor, and another one as the executor, and the last one is the target object. When we write about division, for example, if we write 4 by 2, it means that the instructor implicitly telling to the executor about what to be done to the target object. This target object should be a single person. In the eye of the executor, this target object is a single person. So what does this mean when this instructor telling to the executor this expression? It means that he is telling the executor, just for 2 person he will receive 4. It means that for this single person he needs 2 apples. So this executor maybe has a basket of apples containing a lot of apples here. So when this instructor telling the expression 4 by 2, this executor somehow thinking how many apples should be given to this target object. So when telling 4 by 2, then he gets in his mind that this target object should receive 2 apples. Now what if the expression 4 by half? This expression telling the executor that for half of this person we need 4 apples. So he began to think that if half of a person needs 4, then for single person we need 8. So he began collecting 8 apples, give to target object 8 apples. So the definition of division in this concept makes sense rather than what we are being taught at school. Now why we are asking the very nice question about what happens if the division is by 0. When divide something by 0, it is undefined in mathematics. Why it is undefined? Because when we write something 0, it means we remove the target object from the system. None of the person will receive the result of the executor. So the definition of division is undefined. So we break the rule because we remove the target object from our system. Doesn't make sense at all. Because when the instructor telling you 4 by 0, it means that in the eye of executor, for none of the target object will receive 4. Then he cannot understand what does it mean for none. So in this concept, it is removing this target object. Now, what happens if we make expression 0 by 4? In mathematics, we know that it is 0. What does it mean? It means that for 4 person we need nothing. So when this expression given to the executor, he understands that nothing should be given to the target object because he needs nothing. This target object needs nothing. This way of defining expression is never being taught at school, and I explain you in this video why. Because one of my friends asking me why when we divide something by something smaller than 1, we receive bigger value than the numerator. For example, if we have 4 apples, why we have 8 apples? It doesn't make sense in real life if we apply it. But when we give this definition, it makes sense because this division is only the expression telling the executor what to do to the object. Thank you for watching my videos.